Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and full review of this PALOVUE Bluetooth 5.0 receiver with Qualcomm CSR wireless car kit for music streaming and hands-free calling for car home stereo with a 3.5mm auxiliary port, no charging needed. It's currently listed for around $24, has a lot of good reviews. Looks like it's a reliable thing. It's an interesting device because this is a nice alternate way to using the cigarette lighter and then transmitting an FM signal, which sometimes can be really unstable. You get a lot of interferences, especially when you make longer trips, and then you get into areas where they have different FM frequencies, and then you have to change that all the time, especially when you're driving alone. This can be really difficult or even dangerous when you have to do that while driving. So this is actually a much better, easier and safer solution as long as you have the right ports. I mean, you need a USB port and you need a 3.5mm auxiliary port, but a lot of cars have this. Our car from 2014 has it as well, just actually side by side. So I thought, yeah, that this could be an interesting solution for us. And with Bluetooth 5.0, the latest edition, it's a really up-to-date version of this kind, and actually I think a pretty unique thing. I haven't seen this before. You can see a little bit of the configuration and what it is. So let's open the box and see what we get. So it's a very small box. You don't have to fear that it needs a lot of space. So here's what we get. Of course, there's not much needed, really small device. It comes with a long cable in case you need that. Sometimes you don't have the USB and 3.5mm jack really close, so you get a nice extension cord. What I really like here is that the long cable is just an option, and if you don't need that, you don't have to use this. You can just use the short cable if you have both ports really close, like in our car. Here we get also a small instructions manual. Maybe I can show you that pretty quickly. It's just a couple of pages, and just make sure that you go to the highest resolution, put it on pause on every page so you have enough time to read everything. Let's see if there is something in the back, even QR code, and yeah, that's actually already it. So there's not much. I mean, it's not rocket science, should be pretty simple. Not much to configure, just connect the Bluetooth and then you should be ready to go. So I think I can either connect it outside in the car where it's at the moment very hot. I mean, there's AC but needs some time to cool down, or I can prepare it here inside. I mean, we can use this thing here anyway for anything which has a 3.5mm auxiliary port, and you can then connect with any kind of Bluetooth and use the audio. That should be possible. I mean, so you can use it for almost any audio device. So I'm going to plug this in here and try to connect it, and so we can see the blue light here flashing, and that's the sign that it's ready to pair. Okay, let's go in the settings to Bluetooth and then pair new device, and we have the PALOVUE LinkFlow pairing. Of course, we have to give some authorization here, and it's already linked. And yeah, so I can take it out and put it in my car and then try if it's working right away. Of course, you have to then select the auxiliary as an input for your audio, but that's then about it. And so here we are in the car. I have to open the USB. You can see I have the USB and I have the 3.5mm auxiliary. Yeah, I hope you can understand me. It's a little bit loud. I have to keep the AC running. We are in Florida. It's extremely hot, otherwise I couldn't do that. So let's plug this in here, and also the 3.5mm, and then let's switch the input Let's see if it's available. Yeah, it's already showing up. Before I had it plugged in, it was not showing up. So maybe I have to select devices. Let's see what I have to do. Probably nothing. Yeah, it looks like because I had it away from the USB power, I need to reconnect. So let's do this again. Go to settings and Bluetooth, and we have it already paired. I can just probably reconnect. Now it says PALOVUE LinkFlow active. So let's go and try to restart the YouTube video. Okay, it looks like it's connected, but it's still playing here on my watch. So let's try to switch the Bluetooth audio now to the PALOVUE. I think we have to go to the audio setting and play media on PALOVUE LinkFlow. Now I can't hear anything. Let's increase the volume, and now we have it here. And maybe we have also to increase the volume a little bit here. I think I'm pretty low here. Yeah, now it's much more. So we can adjust the audio level here directly on the radio and on the phone. But now I would say we have perfect quality. That's really nice. No interference, no nothing, really good audio quality. Yeah, that's exactly what we want. Finally, I've managed to do that. It had a little bit of starting problems, but now I know what to use, which connection to use, and I think it will be, every time it will be ready when I'm starting the engine here, and I can connect with my phone and have really good audio. I don't have to be worried about connecting with the FM radio anymore. And yeah, that's it for now. I'm really happy with it, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.